It took Mother Nature millions of years to create natural stones. At Glaze, we believe in honoring the majestic beauty of these precious gifts. Glaze, a place like no other, with over 1 million square meters of exotic and rare stones under one roof, showcasing over 400 unique designs of marble, onyx, travertine, and many more. A class apart in this part of the world, undoubtedly the strongest brand in natural stone industry in the Middle East. Every single stone in our state-of-the-art gallery has been carefully hand-picked from the finest quarries around the world. Walking through our state-of-the-art stone gallery is an unparalleled experience for any architect, designer, or homeowner that will change the way you envision luxury forever. Our vast treasury of unique styles, serving our clients with the most expansive range of natural stones. Uncompromising on quality, we will continue to deliver this greatest gift of Mother Nature to mankind. Surface solutions designed by nature.